That's what I'm trying to do, but he doesn't
What?
want it.
Wait, what? No.
Daniel, come on.
Hell no,
Let's
son.
go in a goodie box. Come on.
Yo, I'm not going in I'm not going in no goodie box, son.
You're hurting my wrist.
Mom.
Get your ass in.
Mom, I'm being nice. I'm not trying to hurt you.
Daniel.
I'm being nice. I want to get off this handcuffs. Daniel, you're hurting me. Let go. Come on.
Go in there.
Poncho, I'm not looking at that dog. Go get the key. I saw the key, cuz it was funny at first, but I'm not trying to go in there. It's a boat.
Come on. Let's go.
Poncho, go get the key. Poncho, I know you have. Come on, Mom. I know where the key is. Come on.
Come on.
Mom, he literally has a key. Come on. It's like that scene in the Goonies. Let's go. Come on. Hey, you guys. Let's go.
What are you guys doing?
I don't know. Poncho, check the milanesas. Babe, check the milanesas.
Poncho, where the hell is the key? I'm gonna stab you. Where the hell
What are
is
you
the key?
talking about?
Poncho! I'm gonna kill you. Where's the key? Go get the gun. Where's the key, son?
Ow, my back hurts. Come on, I have a key. Mine are fluffy. They're flurry. They're.
Mom. I'll kill myself in that.
Why? Over my handcuffs?
Mom! Ah!